Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Joshua, your independent Scentsy superstar consultant. I am based in Texas. I have an unboxing. This is the Scentsy Family Reunion 2024 Spirit box. So as a consultant, we have our annual convention. I've been doing a countdown on each video. We're officially 18 days down till my vacation, 24 days till SFR itself. I'm going in person. So the in-person consultants did not get their lanyard and their badge until you get to SFR. So this year you have to check in. So that way, oh my God. So that way, we can get our ticket into Universal. So here is the box. I have seen spoilers, so spoiler ahead if you're going to SFR and you don't want to see the contents, watch this after you get your box. So it's a really beautiful box this year. I keep all my boxes because it's a look down memory lane. So you've got your sleeve, and then when you open it, ooh, this kind of smells like sherbet. So on top, there is a license plate. It's metal with the braze, SFR 24. This is gonna be hung up. So excited for this. Put that in for pictures here in a little bit. I'll just take it out. So you take that off, and then on the inside, so we've got our journal, our little notebook. It's got visit the Scentsy Museum. It's got a guide through the convention center. We're in the West Concourse. Onboarding, focus groups, focus group team building. Expos. I love expos. You can choose your Scentsy adventure. Oh, that's cute. Review your personalized business results summary on your workstation. Decide what. Oh, that's cool. And then museum, general session. This is freaking cool. And it's got the agenda. I will be there on the 14th. Oh, it's got a cute little checklist. General sessions and stuff. And then your badge and the way to do your... Oh, there's gonna be an SFR app, by the way. I'll look that up. So you get that. Move my mouse. So this year there are iron-on patchet numbers for the year you joined. It's 1 through whatever. They just threw a bunch of numbers in here. Iron-on, preheat your iron. Place cardboard. Well, I got plenty of cardboard. So with Scentsy, this is my 10th year. I get to walk the stage. So you walk 5, 10, 15, 20. You, as a 10-year consultant, you get to choose between a keychain. It is a leather keychain, or you get to choose the butterfly pin. I went ahead and chose the keychain just because I'm not gonna like break this. So to me, it was the right decision. Oh, I love this. And then my ribbons, so I got Cheers to 20 Years, Scentsy, the Disney ribbon, you have to sell 5 or more catalog items. My lifetime PRV of 40K. I've got a little bit, I'm almost at 50K. I didn't push sales. I'm not that type. I'm more of connecting with others. My 10-year achievement, I get to walk the stage. Charitable cause, if you sell more than $100 in cause products. USA. And then my title as superstar consultant. I'm gonna put these back in here for my suitcase because I'm going to put everything in my suitcase. So we get a lapel pin. This is the 20-year pin. We got one for World Tour. I'm glad they're doing these because you're like, oh, what's that when you see somebody? So that will be going on my hat. Oh, this is what smells so good. So it's Scentsy Dice Charm Clip. Yo, this is so cute. And it's got the little charm. This almost smells like sherbet. Oh, I think I'm gonna hang this in my rear view mirror. So that's freaking cute. So last year we got a scent circle and we ended up getting the brick that smelled just like it. I freaking love this. So I hope we're getting a brick or pods or something in this fragrance. And then last but not least, I don't care about my size. I'm a 2X. I love my body, so. This is our SFR shirt. Sunshine, SFR 2024. And then on the back is where you're going to iron on your numbers right here. But yeah, that is all. That is the Scentsy Family Reunion 2024 Spirit Kit. I cannot wait to see everybody there. This is going to be the greatest time of my life. I get to experience Disney. I'm so excited. I will talk to y'all soon. There's 2 uploads in one day, so either you're seeing this before or after, depending on. If you're at SFR, reach for me, find me on social media, message me on here. We will connect. Thank you for watching. I will see y'all there.